With the As-Built Export tool in Autodesk Build, project admins can easily generate a set of as-builts including RFIs, submittals, and sheets, and export for use in handover packages or other third-party requested deliverables. To access the As-Built Export tool, navigate to the Settings tool on the left side panel. From here, select the As-Built Export tab, where you will see the option to create new as-builts as well as view a log of previously created as-builts. Let's start by creating a new as-built package. Within this pop-up screen, you can configure the export by selecting which sheet versions and markups you want to include, as well as selecting all or only closed RFIs and submittals. Since the file sizes can be large, it may take some time for the as-built to be created, but once it is ready, you will receive an email notification and a link back to this page. Go ahead and select the most recent package and click Download. A zipped folder will download where you can open up folders for each file type and easily find what you're looking for. Get instant accessibility to as-built information and improve the speed and accuracy of handover today with the As-Built Export feature in Autodesk Build.